Hi everyone, welcome back to today's table topic practice video. And the table topic for today is what is what does it mean to be human? What does it mean to be human? What does it mean to be human? This is a very important question and very simple but uh, insightful one. And when we try to basically the what this is asking is what makes who we are as people and why we exist, why we are different from other species, why we are the best species in the world. And when we know this, and why this question is important, well, when we know what it means to be human, it helps us connect better with others. It makes us realize that what special qualities we all have, how we are different from others. So that is why it's important, uh, uh, this question. And this helps us to all have empathy, kindness, that all special qualities that human exhibits. And when we know all this, so now we know that what does it mean to be human? We all have these special qualities. Is uh, we have kindness, we have empathy. Either where do we go from here? Well, first we all should not hesitate. We should accept who we are and do not try to hide your true identity. You all should know that before anything, you are a human. So that's important. Second, we all can try to understand each other better. We can try to understand other person's perspective as well. We can be kind towards other people. We can have empathy towards other people. And when we have all these things, we we and when we have all this, we are justifying our purpose and why we are best in the world. Thank you. Over to you.